Here's how to fix frozen iPhone or one stuck on a black screen where you might be tapping on it or whatever, but it doesn't work. So what we have to do is to perform a forced restart. So on the iPhone, we have the physical buttons on the side, because on the left side, we have the mute or volume buttons, the volume up and volume down, and on the other side we have the power button. So what you need to do is to perform a sequence of pressing the volume up, volume down, and then holding down on the power button on the other side of the phone. So practically it will look like this. So you press at first volume up, volume down, and then hold it down on the other button. Just keep on holding whatever shows up on the screen, and just keep on holding until the screen goes black like this, and we still keep on holding until the Apple logo shows up. Now I'm gonna release my finger, and essentially we just wait for the phone to restart, right? So it's now gonna be the regular process of starting up the iPhone. So it's gonna show you the lock screen. You'll have to type in the code and everything, and hopefully if there was any bug or a glitch in the software, it is gonna be fixed by now. So as you can see, I can now get inside of the phone and it works normally. So that's how you can fix the iPhone which is frozen or stuck on a black screen. Definitely subscribe for more Foxtecc tutorials which go straight to the point, as you can see. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.